Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share a new study vlog with you all. And my study vlog is starting with current affairs session, and now time is 12 p.m. Yes, it is 12 p.m. and today I'm starting my study session at afternoon. So now you can see that I am covering my current affairs, making current affairs notes from the internet. These are today's current affairs I am covering and making notes. Current affairs are the most important thing in any exam. Many of you always ask me that where I am covering my current affairs, from where I am covering my current affairs. So friends, I am covering my current affairs from Drishti IAS and Study for Civil Services. From Study for Civil Services, I cover monthly current affairs, and for daily basis, I am covering from Drishti IAS. So these are two basic website for UPSC and UPPSC for Hindi medium also. So I found these two sites are too good for me. So I am covering my current affairs from these two sites. So here I am going to complete my current affairs, and you can see that the time is 1 o'clock, 10 minutes over. Yes, it is 1 o'clock and 10 minutes, and I have completed my current affairs, and now exactly 1:30 I have started my second session of NCERT history. You can see I am opening the chapter from where I am going to study my today's session, and this is chapter 10. And today I have decided to complete this book. 2 chapters are remaining, and these 2 chapters are so lengthy. So I will try to complete these today also. And so let's see. Now the time is 2:30, exactly 1 hour to complete my one chapter of history, and now I'm going to take a break of 2 hours. In that break, I have taken bath, I have taken my lunch, and took some rest, and at 4:30 again I'm going to study my remaining chapter of history NCERT, and today I've decided to complete this 11th class book today only, because from tomorrow I'm going to start my 12th class history NCERT book. Yes, so I'm determined to do this. Let's see what happened in the next. Keep enjoying and keep watching. Thank you so much, guys.